Hi, good afternoon. This is Seth Pickens with Live Oak Exteriors with my manager here, Steven. We're at Cal Porter's house today, and we're going to be doing a repair attempt. I appreciate Allstate's repair estimate that we received. We're going to see if the roof would actually survive just due to the age for the repairs. See if you want to show, this is one of the wind damaged shingles that was documented by Allstate. You can clearly see the crease here. This one's connected to these three, so we'd have to manipulate these four to get all the nails out, so on and so forth. During this time, I'm going to try to be as careful as I possibly can, not bend the shingle over 45 degrees, and take this one out without trying to damage any other shingles. So use the dull-tipped crowbar here to unseal the ones on top, and we'll get started. These guys are already unsealed. Okay. Having to go up to the next layer here to get the nails out. All of these have just broken through. I have a couple nails left. I just wanted to pause right here. During this repair, if you come in here, you can see a crease forming. We haven't even got the shingle out yet on this one, and this one, all across this way here. Okay, so I'm going to continue, but just wanted to notate that there are creases forming as I'm pulling the shingle out. So damaged shingle is out. Let's go over here. I'm going to get the rest of the nails out from underneath here. Just gonna double check I got all the nails out. Okay, so done with getting all the nails out. I'm just going to do a light wipe on the shingles here to see if any creases are going to be forming. Yep. You can see on all of these, crease here, crease there, and then another crease here. So all in all, personally, I don't feel comfortable putting another shingle, or continuing the repair, I should say, with another shingle back up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys one more thing. So with the other shingles on this roof, obviously we have stuff that's connecting into the valley here that will transition into this area, and not to mention the one that was actually above the repair attempt over here. If we had to go to repair this one, we'd have to tear into the ridge now. So now we're talking about getting into every single aspect of the slopes, including the tear off on the backside as well. So I'm going to deem repairability of this 18-year-old roof as a fail, and I will get this video into you guys as soon as I can. Thank you.